Boost your English. Master, now, in adverb plus adjective collocations. Hello there, language learners. We're back again with another exciting lesson on English collocations. Today, we're diving deep into adverbs of time plus adjective collocations, focusing on the adverb, now. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to use now with various adjectives. Let's get started. Now is an adverb of time that's commonly used in English. It can refer to the present moment or a period of time around the present. For example, we can say, do it now, or it's raining now. But now doesn't just work well with verbs. It also pairs beautifully with various adjectives to form meaningful expressions. Let's look at some of the most common collocations with now and adjectives. 1. Now possible. Something is now possible means that it has become achievable, usually due to changed circumstances. For example, after years of research, a cure for the disease is now possible. 2. Now necessary. This implies that something has become essential or unavoidable. For example, given the recent events, it is now necessary to tighten security. 3. Now available. Used to indicate that something has become accessible or ready for use. For example, the latest software update is now available. 4. Now ready. This means that something or someone is prepared at this time. For example, the report is now ready for review. These are just a few examples. The adverb, now, can be combined with a plethora of adjectives to convey different meanings. It's time to practice what you've learned. Here are a few sentences. Try to fill in the blanks with the right collocation we've just discussed. 1. After hours of cooking, dinner is blank. 2. With advances in technology, travel to Mars is blank. 3. In light of the data breach, more stringent regulations are blank. 4. The new collection of the designer is blank in stores. Take your time to practice these and come up with your own sentences using these collocations. And there we have it, learners. We've just explored how the adverb, now, collocates with various adjectives to make your English sound more fluent and natural. Practice using these collocations in your day-to-day conversation. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastery. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!